Launch your dream clothing line with AI, the ultimate step-by-step guide to bringing your creative vision to life. I'll go over everything you need to know and guide you through the Etsy shop creation process. Once I've shown you how to automatically complete your order so there is nothing you can do, I'll show you how to launch it. Therefore, in the chat window, type "Create me a business name that sounds cool and sells art-based clothing." Let's go back to Etsy after delivering the name of the company that sells clothing with an artistic theme, since the results show how much I value masterpiece garments. Use ChatGPT. Imagine being able to create a custom clothing line that flawlessly matches your own brand and style without the expensive technical expertise or countless iterations. That is exactly what you can do with ChatGPT's assistance. You may give your consumers a seamless experience, from designing and decorating options to individualized advice, by utilizing the chatbot's potent language processing abilities. See how ChatGPT can transform the way you launch your own clothing line. So now, we will head over to ChatGPT to come up with some new names for our company. We want to launch a company that markets cool artwork on various types of clothing. So enter the request, "Create me a business name that sounds cool and sells art-based clothing" in the chat window. Following the delivery of the name of the business for art-based clothing, let's return to Etsy as the results show that I really appreciate masterpiece garments. Go to Etsy. Go to the Sell on Etsy area and select Get Started if you don't already have an account. You will now go to your quick settings. There you may set the money in which you charge, among other choices, as well as your payment options. The next part we are going through our next product, so obviously we don't have our listing right now, so the next part is we are going to Midjourney. Midjourney AI. Discover Midjourney AI, the innovative image creating tool that can save you time and hassle. In this step, we'll show you how to use it to take your process from meh to amazing. Now all we can do is make a piece of art to start this process, and we will figure out later about its use in our product. Type / then imagine, then we are going to put the prompt, which is Van Gogh art style of cat wearing a suit and a top hat, realistic painting AR13. It will take some time to make elaborate pictures mid-journey. Jump to Printify, the all-in-one platform for creating and selling custom products. In this step, we'll show you how to use Printify to turn your creativity into profits and grow your business like never before. Let's first sign up for a Printify account if you already have one, then you can skip this. But before, you can access my store, which you can connect to by utilizing an Etsy API, so let's make the Etsy area accessible to users. Orders will essentially be able to connect with Printify to let it know when an order has been placed on Etsy. Now let's go to Printify and browse through different t-shirts. Pick a white unisex t-shirt that doesn't have any design or print on it. Don't worry about handling any difficult tasks or promotion techniques. Currently, Printify allows us to upload our artwork onto their platform. You can also select sweatshirts, hoodies, or pillowcases based on your preferences. We can upload our artwork on Printify and place it on these products or t-shirts. We can connect that to our Etsy store, and when people place an order on Etsy, it goes through Printify, and the order is shipped out from the manufacturer and sent to our customers. This entire procedure is super easy. Our real job is to manage the Etsy store as well as come up with cool, unique designs that we can put on different products. Let's start printing these t-shirts with our AR design. As soon as you click Start Designing on Printify after arriving there, upload the image produced by Midjourney AI. Colors are another tool you can use when designing. Please upload your photo to PixelCut so that we can upscale it up to 4 times. You can now update the image on Printify and save the finished result. Final touch. After that, give some mock-ups to the product and see what our t-shirt looks like in different avatars. Come down to Printify right now and give our product a name. The product description should then be written. Alternatively, you can ask the chatbot to write a witty description for your goods by typing the command, "Give me a funny description for my t-shirt product," and add something related to your product type. In the description box, copy and paste the description. We can also choose the pricing. So what are we going to be charging on Etsy? Therefore, I believe the maximum price we can set on Etsy is $30. After that, we must click Public, which will upload the item to Printify. If you want to level this up and go even crazier, we can come on over to the catalog and search all over the products they offer. They offer Apple Watch bands, they offer canvases, they offer sports shorts, they offer bedding, they offer stickers, they offer leggings, socks, bags, and shirts. There's so much stuff, and there you can really get creative. This is merely an illustration of a t-shirt. Because there are so many options, you can be really inventive. I suggest browsing the selection and trying to think of ways to use each item in your Etsy shop. Let's go back to our product here. We now have a setup on Printify, and we can now use it. When we go to an Etsy shop, let's open up this image here. So now what we want to do is go back to Etsy to create our store and our listing. You're now going to go through how you will get paid. Now you will have to set up your bank details and go through the entire process related to bank details, and it's going to be your last part on Etsy. Now we can come to our store and see pallet threads, and now we can see our listing here. What we actually don't need to do is go through Etsy every single time to add our products. We can just come on over to Printify and add new products here. If we click Publish on any product on Printify, then it's going to push the product into our Etsy store automatically. And if we click on our Printify product, you can select the size you are and then add it to the card. You can see our product description there, as well as our shipping time and our product cost of delivery. Now we are going to come over to the listing, and I'm going to change the shipping fee, because what's going to happen is that Printify will automatically assign a shipping price. But we are going to give shipping for free because we are using local suppliers wherever people order from. So we are going to come over to the settings and click on Delivery Settings, and then we have to create a shipping profile including our local country and everywhere else the same free delivery. Now that we have commented, we may apply our product's fixed free shipping profile. Refresh the page to see the change. Customers can now place orders for free, and when they do, Printify processes the order automatically. As the e-commerce industry continues to grow, businesses must find new and innovative ways to stand out in a crowded market. One such way is with the help of AI technology, which can boost the efficiency and effectiveness of online operations. If you're looking to improve your online clothing business, incorporating AI could be the key to scaling up and staying ahead of the competition. Fortunately, learning how to integrate AI into your online clothing business doesn't have to be difficult. In fact, by following my instructions, you'll learn everything you need to know to leverage AI technology and improve your e-commerce products. From creating personalized product recommendations to optimizing your inventory and supply chain, AI can streamline your operations and help you achieve greater success. So get ready to take your business to the next level. By embracing AI, you can enhance your offerings and provide a superior customer service that sets you apart from the rest. Follow my tutorial and see the results for yourself. If you enjoyed watching the video, hit the like button and comment below. And if you want to know how to make money on YouTube as a beginner, check out that video right here and we'll see you there.